Hello everyone, so I welcome you all in my new video. So in this video, basically I'm going to talk about income tax returns. So as you know, 31st July is the last day to file your income tax returns, and many of the individuals who are filing as an individual or who have a business or are trading in FNO, they must be want to know something about how we can file the returns, what all expenses can we claim, and what all can we deduct when we file the income tax, and whether our audit is needed or not when you're filing your income tax. And there might be many other questions, so I have tried to put many information as much as I think would be needed. But of course you can consult your financial advisor, your CA, for that, and they would be able to guide you better. But here I have tried to put information, and you can put your questions as well in this video. If you want to know anything more on this, I will try to get back to you on this. So let's begin the video, and here I have what all topics I'm going to cover in this video. To start with the video, here I have we'll discuss about the income tax returns and what all to consider for this in this video. So first thing which I want to discuss here is that first, as an individual, if you are filing as an individual, so that your income will be under ITR 1, so it is applicable to the resident which are having a total income up to 50 lakhs. So anyone residing outside India or will not fall under this category, and this category falls if you have an income only up to 50 lakhs. Above 50 lakhs you have other ITR to file with. So again, talking about who all fall in this category of ITR 1. So first is a salaried or a pension, a person who is getting a regular salary from any office, government or private job, or anyone who is getting a pension as well from any retired professional, or so they fall under this category. Or you are getting any kind of income from your house property, so they will also fall under this category. Now the third category will be this one. Any other sources, that is the interest or any family pensions or any dividend you are getting, so that also will fall under ITR 1, given the condition it is below 50 lakhs or up to 50 lakhs only, or any agriculture income up to rupees 5,000. So this all fall in the category of ITR 1. Now talking about the next category. So if we talk about the next category, so we have like this one, going to the next slide. So other category is like the business and the profession. So either you are having a business or you are giving any kind of professional services, you have to file under ITR 3 and ITR 4. So what does it mean? So the taxpayer who have money, or who have made money or incurred losses. So I'll just talk from the perspective of maybe if you are a FNO trader or if you're doing trading. So any taxpayer who have made money or incurred any kind of losses in the derivatives market. By derivatives I mean futures and options market. So they have to file income tax return through ITR form and ITR or form 4. So ITR 3 or ITR 4, which I'll discuss what is the main difference between these two. But anyone doing this have to file ITR under this form, under this section. So we will move to the next one then. So ITR 3 and ITR 4. So what is the main difference between this both? So if we talk about the difference, the main difference is that on ITR 3, what is the main difference? So first, if we talk about ITR 4, ITR 3 is meant basically for self-employed professionals and individuals with a business income. So as I mentioned, anyone who is getting a business income, so those will fall under this category, or either they are self-employed. For ITR 4, your turnover from FNO trading should not exceed rupees 2 crore. So this is the condition for ITR 4, that whatever the total turnover is there for your FNO trading, that is future and option trading, or you are getting from the derivatives market, so that your turnover should not exceed 2 crores, or there should not be any losses to carry forward or bring forward from last year. Because if you have any losses which has to be carry forward in the next year, or which has to be set forward to this year, so this cannot be filed under ITR 4. So we are left with ITR 3 to file with this one. So let's go to the next section. So that is, when is the audit needed by the CA? So basically, as I mentioned, ITR 3 and ITR 4 is done for any business and profession, and as you know, your trading also comes under business and professional services. So when do you need a audit? So as I mentioned, in your ITR 4, if your turnover is not under above 2 crores, or you don't have any losses to carry forward for the next year, in those conditions you don't need an audit by your CA. But if your turnover, here I have mentioned, if your turnover is above 2 crores in this FNO section, if you're in FNO market, so you need to get an your income audited by a CA. And if you have to, your loss has to be set off or carried forward to the next year, then also you need to get an audit from a CA. In other conditions you don't need it, and you can directly ask your CA to file, or you can file it on your own ITR 3, which is provided by the income tax department. So the expenses, what you can deduct. So now while filing the taxes, we all have these questions like, yes, what all expenses can I claim, so that at least I can deduct on some amount while filing my income tax. So first thing, while you're filing your income tax, if you're doing it your trading income or from FNO, any your capital gains, all those, so you can have certain expenses can be claimed, either you are a company or you are an individual. So those incomes include, first is your demat account charges. So demat account charges will get deducted automatically. Then is your broker commission, whatever your broker is taking as a commission, so those you can claim, you can deduct it. Then comes your business related expenses. So in this business related expenses, you can claim any kind of expenses which you have done for your business, which can be maybe in your office, doing something in your office, any cars, or any kind of expenses, or giving salary to the employees. So all this come under business related expenses, and that you can easily claim under this category, business related expenses. Then your telephone and internet charges also can be claimed under this category. And then you can have certain assets also, which you can claim on any laptops or any kind of purchases you have made. So those also can be deducted, as so you can do that same consulting your CA on this part. Next you will see is, next thing, in case of losses. So this was like you are in profit, you are filing your tax returns, so what all you can get. But if in case you are in losses for that financial year, what can you do for that? So you can actually set them, your losses, against any other income. So what are those other incomes? So first income where you can set them, your losses, is your rent income. So if you're paying rent, so there you can do it. Your capital gains, so here also you can set your losses there. And your interest income, so from here also you can save some of your taxes. So this is all what I wanted to discuss with you all, and how you can do it. But I will always say that better consult your CA before filing a tax. But here I have tried to put it in a very simple language, like how you can go ahead and file your tax. And you should know, as a, because you are trading or you're doing any kind of profession, so this basic knowledge you should have before filing your tax returns. So again, I would say that consult your CA before any for any kind of financial advice. They are a better person, they are professionals, and they are meant to do so. So they can give you better advice on this. So yeah, and do put your questions here in the comment section if you have any other questions, and I'll try to get back you on this. So please subscribe to the channel as well, and give your thumbs up for this video. So thank you everyone, and see you again in my next video. Thank you.